everyone, welcome to Groovy Kids. Today I'm going to make a replica of Soham's cheetah that he drew. This is the picture that Soham did. Started. So first we're going to start with drawing the eyes. And then we're going to draw these parts, which if you didn't know are called tears. And this will also be a part of the snout. So we're going to do that. And we're going to make it go up. This is for the other eye. I'm looking at Soham's for help. Then we're going to do little half ovals going like this. And this will be the eyes. It's time for the nose, that thing, that part. It's going to be a little bit high, but mostly down. So we're going to draw a heartish shape, like this. Now, you know how cats are like this. Cats are like that, right? So we're going to do two dogs like that. So now we have to do some fur going like down, like that. And we have to do very light to make it look like fur. Okay. Now, oh yeah, I almost forgot. You have to do this part. I don't know what this is called. So, sorry about that. I think this is the lower jaw part. Yeah. Now, what were we going to do? Oh yeah, we have to make these a bit longer. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. These have to be very dark. Fun fact, these are called tears, and the teeth, I think I already told you. The tears help the cheetah look through the sun, because there's lots of sun, the African savannah, and that's where they live. So, they want to be able to see predators that they have, and they have predators such as lions or hyenas who want to take their cubs. I need a constant. The sizes. So now, oh, that's a bit. Now what we're doing is taking it high, but not too high. A bit lower actually. And we're doing going down and down and down until we've got the size of a full stop. Then we're going to go very close, but a bit far. Gonna go up and up and up until it's very big. So, do you think we should stop there? Yeah, me too. So now we have to do little light dots until they reach each other. Now we're drawing this, and I don't know what it is called, but it's parts of all cheetahs. All cheetahs have it. So now we have to do it on either side. They've usually got it really dark like that. Also, let me tell you something. It's really cool. So you know what honey badgers are, right? If you don't know, then search it up. So cheetah cubs, they get attacked by lions or hyenas all the time. So they have to be like, since honey badgers can defeat lions and hyenas, they have to look like them. They have the same black and white pattern. They look like them so that they don't get attacked. But their face can obviously see that they're cheetah, so they have to curl up into a ball, just like the honey badger does. Honey badgers are a lot fluffier though, and they have more white, and they're bigger, much bigger, with sharper claws, but you can't see the sharp claws if they're like curled. So now what we're doing is the whisker part. I'm not going to do them like, I'm just going to do them very neatly. Okay, so now we're gonna do the whiskers like this. You have to do them very quick, but very, they have to be like together to make it look realistic. And all over the place, but together. So cheetahs have got a lot of whiskers. I think they've got about, like 50 something, because it's a lot. And it looks really blurry since how like it is. Oh, how did I forget the top of the head? Oh my gosh.
Well, they probably have more than 50 whiskers, but how they even count them without getting
like bitten, like
yeah.
So also you should show to your friend and just tell them that you didn't do this, because you want to be honest, because you could get in a big trouble if they ask you to, if you say I do this and then they try to erase it, and then or another bad situation would be if they said can you draw something for me? Can you draw this for me? So then you would. But I'm not saying you're bad at drawing if you can't draw this good. You're probably still as good as me at drawing. You just draw in a different style. So yeah, I'm pretty sure that is the case, because that's the case for lots of my friends. And they say, oh, how good you are, please. Can you do something like that for me? But I honestly don't think this is so good. Also, this orangish cheddar color is the color of the Someone come here, they haven't seen you in like a long time.
No, they saw me last video.
That's true.
I mean the next
Come
video.
see my lovely brother.
Hi! I'm the one who's been saying all this stuff. Like, I mean, you probably would have known me because me and Myrah run the channel together, but whatever. Oh, Myrah just accidentally put it off her drawing, so yeah.
do some. If you think that's not pink enough, you're in luck. 'Cause we think the same then. You think that. So, I've got Soham's. I was going to say mine. Soham's trusty old other pink. So I'm going to put over that. Oh my, I don't know why I love doing the background. Can't stand not doing the background. So I'm going to put some black, and I think this is gonna be too black. So I'm going to put some white. So you're in luck. I'm putting it on. Ooh. Bye, bump, bump. I keep on saying like
to say is if you want more of my videos and my art and less of her art, then you can do some videos. Then you can go to my video and see my work.
And if you want to see my beautiful, amazing work, I'm getting distracted. Sorry, I'll stop talking. Just type Myrah Groovy Could Stop Cheetah. I can't even think of what we should name this video. Well, I've named it already, so I can't sort of think. So, right, I've named it already. Okay, you'll see the name. So that's what I've thought of in a long time.
It looks like he's hiding from it like an antelope. It's so good, Myrah.
Thanks.
Better than mine.
Antelope? Why would he be Oh, I get it. I thought you meant like predator. The antelope was a predator. So you meant that. Almost done. Few more scrapes. Oops, I went into Soam's drawing a bit. Also, I'm doing this in Soam's book because I don't have any books without those lines that you write on. So yeah. My dad's suggesting black, so I think it's a good idea. Let's go. Oh, man. Okay, done. Wait, no, I'm not done. Okay, now I'm done. Thank you for listening, everyone. Okay.